Hi everyone, welcome back to LearnX. In this video, we are going to solve the first problem, that is merge string alternatively. You are given the two strings, word1 and word2. Merge the strings by adding the letters in alternating order and start with word1. For example, the word1 contains A, B, C and word2 contains P, Q, R. We need to merge the strings into the another string. Let's name it as result. We need to add the letters in alternating order. That means first we take the first letter from the word 1 and first letter from the word 2 and second letter from the word 1 and second letter from the word 2 and third letter from the word 1 and third letters from the word 2. For some cases, the number of letters in the word 1 might be greater than the number of letters in the word 2 and vice versa. For that case, we just add the remaining letters into the resultant string. For example, the word 1 may contain extra two more characters, let's say D and E. For this case, we just append this remaining character into this resultant string, D and E. And that's the output for this example. I just iterate through the each characters in the string through the loop. On each iteration, I just pick the two characters, one from the word 1 and one from the word 2, and just append to the result string. For example, the word 1 contains AB and word 2 contains PQ or S. For in a first iteration, I just pick the first character from the word 1 and first character from the word 2, that is A and B. On second iteration, I just pick the second character from the word 1 and second character from the word 2, that is B and Q. On the third iteration, there is no more character in word 1. For this case, I just leave the word 1 and only choose one character in word 2, that is R. And fourth iteration, there is no more character in word 1, I just pick the one character, that is S. And that's our output. Here we can see that number of iteration that is equal to the length of the longest string. Here it is word 2. Let's jump into the code. Let's declare the variable n that holds the word 1 length. Basically, the length function returns the length of the string. I declare the one more variable m that holds the word 2 length. Here I can use the string to append the characters, but manipulating the string frequently it's not efficient. So that I can use the char array result the length of the resultant string is always equal to sum of the length of word 1 and word 2, that is m plus m. I declare the pointer p that always pointing to the last character in char array, and I declare the one more pointer I that initially pointing to the first letter in the both string, and I declare the one more variable max length that holds the length of the longest string. There is a method called max that takes the two input and return the greatest between them. Here I can pass the n and m. That's a length of the word 1 and word 2, but the max function belongs to math class. So we can use the math class to call the max function. Here I can use the while loop to iterate through the maximum length of the string. On each iteration, I just pick the two words, one from the word 1 and I just append to the result string. There is a method called character at. It's return the character at specified index. We are using the word 1 string and character at I, it's written the character at the index I, and I need to pick the another element from the word 2 and store into result array. Not any length function, char function. It's written the character at specified index, and I just increase the pointer I so it can travel through the entire string, and that's it. We need to return the string. But return type of this function is string, but we are using the character, so we must need to convert the character into string. There is a constructor in the string that takes the parameter as an characters char array and return the string object. So we get the object of a string and pass the char array, so it's return the object of a string, and that's it. Yeah, no error. Yeah, it's upsetted with a 0 ms and 100% beast. Thank you. Let's see you on next video.